start with introduction and tell something about being a part of the content creator world when you started out, and what kind of content you make. Just
Yeah, I focus on dancing content, and that's the reason that I'm here today. And yeah, it has been a very fun experience with a lot of fun people. So yeah, we're looking forward for the shoot tomorrow.
so basically, when did you started this out, and what are the projects you have done? What are the brand association and
I'm running a campaign with Snapchat as of now, and I've been working with them for around 5 months. So yeah, and now we're doing this shoot.
so any projects or brand association you have done earlier, and what's the future vision for your career as a creator? What you
I'm looking to get into acting after this. So acting is also one of my aims as of now, and obviously I've been dancing from since a long time, around 4 years. So that is also involved in my journey.